Hi everyone, it's Victoria again. So we are right now in 89142. It's a very surprising house, very interesting. Welcome to 1985. So it seems very original. If you notice, popcorn ceiling stays, right? Don't even touch that. Don't waste money. Don't spend money on that. Flooring is fine. I would get rid of the carpet here, as you can see. Ceiling fan and light combo I will keep. Now, this is a weird configuration of the room. It's not big enough for a room. It is also going to be impeding on access to the kitchen. So unfortunately, I would leave this. Leave this little space. Again, put a round table with 4 chairs. I wouldn't put a couch or anything. We're not wanting people to actually congregate and have like little gatherings, right? It's for co-living, it's for single people, no minors, no children, no pets, no overnight stays. So let's actually take a look at the kitchen here. Few things. I wouldn't really replace anything. So that's the advantage for co-living, is that if it's functional, leave it alone. It's not going to decrease the people that's going to be attracted to it, because it's only just for cooking purposes, really. We're not here for HGTV or anything higher end. So for here, maybe make sure that it's clean. That's pretty much it. The countertops I would leave. Make sure that there's running water, hot water, dishwasher is working. There's no need to replace anything whatsoever. Maybe this little half curtain here, I'll get rid of that. Just the lights we can leave so long as they're working. The plates, I would leave those as well. They look very outdated, but again, it's not going to matter. It's still going to function, and that's really all that matters, and that's what's important. Over here, it already has a washer and dryer. I would leave these, make sure that they are working. If you do have to replace them, I just go through Facebook Marketplace and just spend like $230, get it installed, replace and all of that, and then call it a day. There's enough storage here. I would just get this cleaned, maybe paint. I wouldn't worry so much about all the little things that are missing. I would want to make sure that the that the walls are obviously the same color and not scuffed up like this. Now, on this part, which seems to be the converted garage, not sure if it's permitted or not, but in this situation, now if it's big enough, if it's 20 feet wide, we can split it into 2. And this way, I think it's good enough space. If it's budgeted, if you guys have the budget for it, I would split it in 2. If not, I would just replace the carpet, complete the door here, maybe even paint the wallpaper, or just leave it. That's what I would do. Clean it up a little bit, leave this part over here. I know it's completely outdated, but it works, it's fine. This pocket door here, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but so long as it's not gonna fall over or it's not coming off where it's going to hurt someone or it's going to cause any damage to the property, I would just leave it as is. The light, leave the light. And then just a little bit of a cleanup. There is a walk-in closet over here, and window, so it is considered a bedroom. We just have to finish the door. That's it over here. Okay, so this would be 1 bedroom, and there's already an existing 3 bedrooms here, so let's look for those. This one is a common area with the slider, though. Just like on the other properties, if there's a slider, we can't really split it in 2 unless you want to replace this and then put a window here. Carpet out, leave the popcorn ceiling. I would suggest to freshen up the paint, white paint. The plates on the outlets, I would leave. And then it already has the smoke detector, CO2 detector combination, so I would just leave that there. And just ceiling fan and light combo is what you would be needing here as well. So now there's 2 additional that we can add. Bathroom here is the full bathroom, so I would just leave that. I wouldn't really touch anything there. This is one of the bedrooms, existing bedrooms, so which is perfect. Carpet, paint, and that's it. And then obviously the e-locks for the door. So just like in previous videos, guys, it's going to be a punch code. The shutters are in good shape. I would just probably repaint them, but they're good. They're functioning, so I would leave those alone. So no money spent there. The only thing would just be the carpet, and actually that's it. It already has a ceiling fan light combo. Just make sure that it works. If not, I would just replace those and the e-locks, and obviously furnish it with a queen size bed would fit here perfectly. Nightstand, lamp. No need for a dresser because we already have an existing closet. So same thing with the other three, I'm assuming. So this is the second existing bedroom. The only thing I would do here is obviously carpet, repainted, neutral color, white, ceiling fan combo is already here. Shutters stay, and closet doors. It's perfect. It has this little accordion feature thing. I would leave that. It doesn't have to match with the other rooms. It's not like the members are going to go around the other members' rooms and check and critique that how come they're not all the same. So they're not really going to do that. They won't really mind. So this would be storage. I would keep the hardware. I'd keep the smoke detector and CO2 for combo. Now, this one is an interesting room. Okay, good. Ceiling fan works. So over here, this seems to be the master. So there is an ensuite full bath. I would just leave everything there. Everything's functioning. It's fine. The only thing that I would change over here, once again, would be the carpet. Shutters look fine. The wallpaper, I would maybe paint over. They're not peeling, quick, easy. You don't have to peel it off or anything like that. Extra work, extra time, and you're wasting time and money on that one. The closet here, it looks good. Just make sure the light turns on and all of that. I would just dust it, clean it up, and we're good to go. In this particular house, this is 1,600 square feet. It's a 3-2, so 3 existing, and we already determined that we can add 2 more. So if we were charging 800 and 850 bucks, let's say minimum, that's over 4,200 a month. So that's in gross though. Utilities as well. So there's power, gas, water, sewer, trash, and you could definitely minimize your utility bill just with, you know, the energy saving light bulbs, all of these things. If you already have solar, that's also great. The landscaping would have to be desert. That's why I suggest to just rip out all of your landscaping really and just put desert landscaping and just put drips here and there. There's no pool. I wouldn't want to have the maintenance of a pool. This property doesn't have a pool, which is fine. And there's no HOA because HOA, you know how those go. So guys, if you have any questions about the property, if you wanted me to walk through any of your properties anywhere in the country, my team and I actually do that. So reach out. I'll leave my information down below. And then, until next time, keep it cash flowing.